everybody. Welcome to Crafter Story. It's Celeste here, and thank you so much for stopping by. I always really appreciate that you spend this time with me. So I'm pre-recording this video, but it's going to go up on Monday for Mini Makes Monday. And I decided to use some bottle caps to make fridge magnets, or magnets, wherever you put your magnets. Mine's going to go on the fridge. Refrigerator. So I thought I'd show you how super easy this is. So if you can get your hands on some bottle caps, I have the Martinelli's apple cider, and it's just a twist off, which is actually kind of important. So if it is a twist off, you don't get that bottle opener damage on the bottle cap. So if you can just, keep it, I mean, I suppose it doesn't matter too much if it's not too damaged, but it's just what I prefer. So what I did, let me show you. So I've got these two done. It's my little grapes. They don't actually come out. I don't know if you can see them too well. It's my little grapes and a little red flower in here. And you don't need any special resins or any of that kind of stuff. Not necessary. What you need, bottle caps and some acrylic paint. I just use student grade acrylic paint. And then you need clear Elmer's glue. I prefer the Elmer's, it's a little thicker to the no-name brands. I'm sure they will work. I haven't tried them, but this one is the one that works best for me. So that's what you're going to need, and bottle caps. So I've got this in a bit of a stage because I thought it might be easier to show you that way. So I like to work with these little bottles because the nozzle excuse me, is very fine, and I get into little spots. So you're just going to really put a bit of whatever color paint you want. I like to have a very dark background because I feel like then some of my colors, except for maybe this one, pop, right? I'm going to be kind of generous and just add quite a bit of my black, excuse me, oh, my throat, black paint all the way inside here. Have I got it everywhere? I think so. And you can decide how far up the sides you want to go. I'm just going to go kind of into the corners like that. Just like that. I'm just going to leave it to dry. And because this is acrylic paint and it's water-based, the water will just evaporate and it'll just dry as a little sort of black film on the bottom of your bottle cap. So that'll be there. So I've already done this one, and the paint has already dried. You can't see super well, but I'm going to try. You see it dried kind of flat, right? Any of the paints that you can buy from Dollar Tree, I like the thin, tall bottle. And I think it's made by Acryology. That works really well here too. Okay, so I will paint in this one, but I won't be able to put the Elmer's glue in this one while it's wet. So I've pre-prepared another one where the paint is already dry. But let's put in just another flower. I think is quick and easy. So I'm just going to come in. So you could do this with a brush, of course. You could do this with a dauber. You could put a sticker in here if you don't want to paint. That's totally fine as well. You might want to do a tiny little collage inside of your bottle cap. That would be actually pretty cool. And now that I think about it, that could be really cool. So let's see if I can put just a little leaf. I try not to let the wet paint touch, so the green doesn't touch the orange. Otherwise because this is very runny paint, they tend to run into each other a little bit, so I don't want that. What am I doing? Am I doing this right? Okay, just like that. It's going to dry flat. Maybe I'll do another third leaf here. Am I even in frame? I think so. I'm so busy concentrating. Let's give it a little extra color. What should we do? Maybe a pink. Where's my pink? Here. I'm going to just do little blob pink there, there, like so. And then I'm going to have to put, well, I don't have to, but I want to put a little bit of yellow smack in the middle of, come down just a little. You can see, I should have done that in the beginning, I'm sorry. Maybe just a little like so. So these little bottles that I use, you guys, are available on Temu. I have seen them on Amazon. They just allow me more, it's easier for me to paint with the little bottles. I paint all my eBay paintings that my ACOs with these little bottles and some paintbrushes, but a lot of the time just with these little bottles. They work really well. So there's my little picture. I'm going to have to leave it now overnight to dry, and then once it's dried I can come in with my Elmer's, and I'm going to fill it up, like really fill it up all the way, not all the way to the top, but let's say 3/4 to the top. And then if you do have, let me just get, oh wait, I'm stretching. I see over here I've got a bubble. Am I even in frame? Yeah. I've got a bubble, so I'm just going to scoot the bubble to the side. No, it's being stubborn. Maybe if I can, yeah, I think I got him. Just scoot them to the side and they should go away. Now that part of it is having to dry for more than just overnight. You're probably looking at 2 days at least, but that will drop right down to this. It's way down, all right down, it's flat. It doesn't leave a ridge. It just, you just make sure it doesn't get jostled around, so there's no more air bubbles, and it will dry like this. And then once it's dry, I now can't do it with either of these because they've got paint in them, but once you've done it with both of these, you can, I bought this on Amazon. It is the, let me get these out the way. It is the 3M strip of magnets that you can do. You just peel off this part, cut it loose. So you just cut a piece off. Cut a piece off like that. Peel off this back and then just stick it onto the back of one of these guys like I did there. And there you have it. Mini Makes Monday magnet. Say that 10 times fast. All right, so there you go. There are my 4 magnets, and as soon as this little guy is dry, I will put a picture in him, her, it. And then I'll have 5 magnets for my refrigerator. All right, you guys, and thank you so much to Jen for this hashtag. I really love Mini Makes Monday because I love Mini Makes. So please pop across to Jen's channel. She makes a mini make every Monday, and she amazes me. I wish I had that many ideas. I don't. I do this probably once a month, but I really like how these turned out. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and the like button and leave me a comment. Tell me which one of these is your favorite, and I will see you next time. Bye.